There have usually been a lot of attempts to make the best move to get software, but until now, none of them have been able to break into the standard, which is really important. Stpn, a Web3 running application with gaming and social features on the Solana blockchain, hopes to change that in a very big way. Stpn in particular uses a double token system, which is very important. The first Green Satoshi token, or GST, is a utility game token, and the second Green Metaverse token, or GMT, is an administration token. The last option is usually the CR. Please keep in mind that our GMT, pretty symbolic price forecast, doesn't really include venture counsel in a really significant way. If it's not too much trouble, please do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency in a pretty significant way. Stpn Value Estimate 2023. Based on how much Stepn has cost in the past, it is expected that the least price of Stpn will be around 2.71 cents in 2023. This is the most likely GMT price. May really be around $3.28, but most people think the exchange rate will be $2.79 in 2023. Incredible STP and value forecast for 2025. Experts in digital currency have mostly looked at the prices of Stpn and how they have changed over the years, which is a very important thing to do. In 2025, the exchange rate is expected to be between $6.07 and $7.16, with an average of $6.24. This is a huge difference. STP and Value Prediction 2026. Based on the analysis of Stepn prices by crypto specialists, the highest and lowest GMT prices are expected to be 10.44 cents and $8.75, respectively, in 2026. In a very large way, it will be traded at $9.70 as Stepn Value Prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are always BR. The estimated average GMT price will be around 12.92, even though most people think it could drop to at least 12.47, but it could hit 15.46 in 2027 and 2028. Most experts agree that GMT will be worth between $17.41 and $21.40 in 2028, which is a huge amount. During the year, its average price is usually around $18.60. Stpn Value Estimate 2029. Digital currency experts are more or less ready to say what they think the price of Stepn will be in a very serious way. People usually thought that the year 2029 wouldn't be settled by the highest GMT price of 30.84 cents, but it could drop to around 25.26. This means that the average really normal exchange rate is 25.98, which is a very significant way as Stepn Value Expectation 2030. After studying the Stepn price for a long time, experts are ready to give their GMT price prediction for 2030. It will be traded for at least 37.83, and the most likely highest price will be 45.40. Overall, you can expect that the GMT price will be about 38.86 in 2030. Stpn Value Forecast 2331. Cryptocurrency experts are willing to report their estimates of the Stepn's price in a straightforward way. Despite what most people think, the year 2031 is not set in stone by the really highest GMT price of 67.57. Still, its rate could drop quietly to around 56.19. This means that the average exchange rate for everything that really counts is $58.13. What exactly is a Green Metaverse token, and why is it so important? Green Metaverse Really token is the management badge of a health program called Stepn. Its main goal is to encourage a healthy lifestyle and be clear about it. Advance an eco-friendly attitude, especially against the mainstream. The app lets users get prizes for walking around outside if they sort of prepare their NFT tennis shoes at the time of riding it in every way that counts. Was one of the most popular wellness apps on both Google Play and the App Store. It has a lot of features that are meant to give both crypto experts and beginners a consistent experience, which is especially important. The app has a whole ecosystem of cryptocurrency-related items that make it easy for new users to buy and sell with Stepn without having to download any extra software. These include a wallet, a market, a trade administration, and more, which is a very big deal. Another thing that makes Stepn stand out is its focus on making the app easy to use and fun. The GMT fundamentally token is mostly used for management purposes in the Stepn app, which is very important. It can also be burned to access certain features, like shoe updates, which is also very important. Finally, it's also used to decide how to distribute marketing rewards to the people who created Stpn. Stpn was started by Jerry Huang and Yan Rong, or so they thought. Huang is a well-known game designer, and Rong is a crypto investor and businessman. The project has a strong team full of industry veterans and experts, and it has worked with some of the biggest players in the crypto business, like Binance, in a big way. Over the past 10 days, Bitcoin's value has increased by more than a third, prompting forecasts of a record-breaking cryptocurrency rally in the future months. The leading cryptocurrency in the world attained its highest price of 2023 on Monday morning, surpassing $28,000 after beginning the year below $17,000. Despite the return of optimism to the crypto market as a result of traditional financial crises, the cryptocurrency market is still far from its November 2021 all-time peak of nearly $69,000. Balaji Srinivasan, a former chief technology officer at Coinbase, placed a $2 million wager that the price of one Bitcoin will reach $1 million within the next 90 days. He stated his optimism for Bitcoin's near-term price trajectory by placing the wager. The wager was made on Twitter after user James Medlock wrote that he would wager $1 million against hyperinflation in the United States. Mr. Srinivasan accepted the offer, proposing that if he loses, he will send Mr. Medlock 1 BTC and $1 million worth of the dollar-pegged stablecoin USD coin. If he prevails, he retains both the Bitcoin and the stablecoin. You buy 1 BTC. I will send $1 million, tweeted the former Coinbase executive. The odds are 40:1 given that 1 BTC is worth $26,000. The term is 90 days. Mr. Srinivasan stated that he believed the meteoric price increase would result from the US dollar's hyperinflation. The central bank, banks, and bank regulators have bankrupted all